Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself, where you are on a journey of speaking English fluently. Today we will start with the next set of 20 words in our concluding series Focus 5. So let's start with the first 4 words: dark, done, drive, develop. D-A-R-K, dark. Dark night, in the dark, very dark, dark colors. It's a new moon night. New moon night means Amavasya. It's a new moon night. It's going to be a dark night. Be sure to come back before dark. Which of these do you like? Dark green, dark blue, or dark red? It's dark blue for me. Dark clouds are a sign of rain. The sky is extremely dark. Don't go out to play. It's too dark to play outside. The painting has a dark background. Cats can see even in dark places. The darkest hour is just before the dawn. The second word is done, D-O-N-E, done, done with, have done, get done, well done, almost done, it's done. Akash, riding on a horse is different than riding a bike. Have you done it before? Yes, I have done it once. Did you enjoy the ride? Not much. Let me see, how is this experience? Oh my God, I am done with it. I am never going to ride on a horse again. I prefer my bike. Sir, everything else has been done. Just sign the documents and it's a done deal. Right. My bag is torn. What have you done with my bag, Suma? Without your help, I couldn't have done this work. The third word is drive, D-R-I-V-E, drive. Drive out, drive off, drive away, drive a car, a long drive. Let's go for a drive. Swojas says he wants to go for a drive. Yes, a long drive. Please drive carefully. You shouldn't drink and drive. Careless driving causes accidents. Do you know how to drive a car? Yes, I do. Rita has a competitive drive to succeed. A competitive drive means come what may, but I want to succeed and I am going to succeed. Check the CD-ROM drive. You will need to format the hard drive. Okay. The fourth word is develop. D-E-V-E-L-O-P, develop. Develop a habit. Develop friendship. Develop into. Developing world. Developed world. Focus on one area to develop specific knowledge. Reading develops the mind, and swimming develops our muscles. The Japanese economy developed rapidly after World War II. Charles Darwin developed the theory of evolution. A child develops rapidly between the ages of 13 and 16. So that's all for you in this video. Meet you again in my next class. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you.